वेलकम टू माय चैनल गाइस एंड आज मैं फिर से आ गई हूँ आप लोगों को प्रोनाउंसिएशन के लिए एक थोड़ा सा लंबा सा वीडियो बनाऊंगी गाइस जस्ट टू लेट यू नो हाउ डू वी प्रोनाउंस द डिफरेंट स्टेट्स इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स। जैसे हमने बात की थी, देयर आर ऑलमोस्ट 52 स्टेट्स इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स। सारा कुछ तो पूरे सारे कवर नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट यहाँ पे वन बाय वन हम आराम से पढ़ना सीखेंगे इसको, so that you know exactly how to pronounce these words. Okay, so first of all guys, happy Father's Day, and I just wish all the fathers of this world a very happy Father's Day. And let's start with this
Fathers
episode.
are the best.
Yeah, they are definitely the best. So it's first of all guys, pronunciation I will tell you. None is easy. Here it's CA. So many of the guys get confused कि यहाँ पे sh बोलना है या sir. Guys, it's sir. Okay. This sir is there, CA, and here shun we use this wala sh. So it's sir and it's sh. So pronunciation. Now let's start with the first state, that is Kentucky. So many of the people will pronounce it as Kentucky. However, it's not pronounced as Kentucky. It's pronounced as Kentucky. Kentucky. Instead of saying a, you have to say a, like this. Kentucky. Kentucky. Now the second one comes Idaho. Many of the people who don't know, they will say Idaho. Idaho. But this is wrong, guys. This is not Idaho. This is Idaho. So it's Idaho. Idaho makes Idaho. That's the correct pronunciation. Let's move on to the next state. That's Kansas. So we'll say Kansas, right? Which is not right. It should be, what should be the pronunciation? It should be Kansas. Instead of S, the word will be Z. We don't say Z, it's Z. So we'll pronounce it as Kansas, not Kansas. Right? Clear, guys? Kansas. Can you please say it again, guys? Kansas. Very good. Kansas. Now the next one is Arkansas. Many of the guys will say Arkansas. जिसको पता नहीं होगा guys, तो pronounce करेंगे Arkansas. However, that's not correct. It's Arkansas. Instead of S, it will be W. Like the spelling is S only, but the way we pronounce it is Arkansas. 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 How do we pronounce it, guys?
Arkansas.
Very good. Next one is Arizona.
Arizona.
We have to say it like a buzzing sound here in Z. So it's Arizona. Next is Indiana. We don't say Indiana. It's Indiana. Indiana.
Indiana.
Yeah, it's Indiana. How do we say it?
Indiana.
Indiana. Great. So next is Indianapolis. P-O-L-I-S. Now how do we say it, guys? It's not Indianapolis, as in it looks like Indianapolis, but when we spell it or pronounce it, it's Indianapolis. Indianapolis. I'm sorry. It's Indianapolis.
Indianapolis.
No, it's Indianapolis.
Indianapolis.
Yes. So say it together again, guys. It's not Indianapolis. It's Indianapolis. 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 Keep on trying, guys. You'll be able to do it. So we'll do it once again. Yashvi, can you please come here and let us know what should be the correct pronunciation? So my daughter will be, walking you through the correct pronunciation. Since she was also a part of the session, she was very interested, guys. So let's start. Yeah, what is this?
Kentucky.
It's not Tucky, it's Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yeah, so Kentucky. Say Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Now, what is the second one? How do we pronounce it?
In Idaho.
Yeah, so
Idaho.
it's Idaho. Idaho. What's the third one?
Kansas.
Yes, it's not Kansas, guys. It's Kansas. So Yashvi is correct. It's Kansas. What is the next one, guys?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Yes. So it's written as Arkansas, guys, but when we speak, the pronunciation would be Arkansas. 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 Right? Next one is
Arizona.
Very good. It's Arizona, guys. Next one is simple. It's not so complicated. It's Indiana. Indiana. Now the last one is a tongue twister, guys. You need to pay attention here. Yashvi, could you please read it out?
Okay. Indianapolis.
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 No, you have to do like we have to join this. Indianapolis. Say Apples instead of police. Just say like apples. You say apple, right?
Indianapolis. Indianapolis.
Yeah. So now just join it and say Indianapolis. 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 So let's just do it as Indiana. 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 Apples. This is not the right spelling, but in order to pronounce, I'm just making it simple, guys. Yashu, can you please read it? Indianapolis.
Indianapolis.
Very good. Now is it easy, guys? Now it's easy. It's Indianapolis. What is it?
Indianapolis.
Very good. So it's Kentucky, Idaho, Kansas, Arkansas, Arizona, Indiana, Indianapolis.
Wait, Mom, I got too long.
Okay. So thank you so much for your patience, guys. Have a nice day. Do take care of yourself. I hope you enjoyed the session.